Hi, I'm Jordan from Pottery Barn, and today I'm going to share with you how to layer the perfect cozy bed. First, I like to start with a cotton sheet. I pick 100% organic, and I love a 400 thread count. Next, in the cooler months, I like to opt out of a blanket and into a quilt for added warmth. Pick stitch is great because all of the stitching is done by hand, and it looks like a family heirloom that you've passed down through the generations. Next, the critical layer is the cozy duvet. This is our twill yarn dye buffalo check duvet. It's super soft, adds great texture, and buffalo check is right on trend. The last final touch is, of course, faux fur. I love sheepskin. It's soft, family friendly, and comes in pillows and throws. And there you have it, how to layer a cozy bed. For this and more, visit potterybarn.com.